Hi guys, so somebody just asked me what I eat. So this is my diet. As you can see, this is like 2 hamburgers. I put this is like bread here, toasted bread with this guacamole. It's guacamole with avocado. Then we have a veggie burger and ketchup. And this is like melted cheese, Gouda, on 4 of them. And then as a dessert, I've got melon. This is not watermelon, but the white melon. And in summer days, we in Spain we eat a lot of watermelon and actually a lot of fruit because it's so hot that you cannot just eat like potato and soups and what other countries are used to eat. So that's my diet after work, where I got my food there. But when I come home, I have this or ice cream. That's what I eat. No big deal, not very healthy. I try my best, but this is another chapter in my life to redo this, into something healthier and, make some challenge where I would eat only vegetables or fruits. And yes, I mean, to be more conscious about food, I think it's very important. So that's the message from today for you guys. But yeah, that's about what I eat right now. I would say I also eat ice cream. I buy I show you. We've got this, and this is like just ice cream with chocolate and cream in it, so no big deal. And this is like what I eat now, and sometimes this, and not very healthy stuff really. This is mochi. I love them. It's ice cream, coconut ice cream in it, and it's beautiful. You see it in local store in Spain. It's called Mercadona. This is the avocado guacamole, not guacamole, but hummus, avocado hummus. And then sometimes gazpacho andaluz, and this is our fridge for now. I love olives. I used to buy these. This is olives filled up with lemon. It's very interesting. Then I eat these. These are filled up with jalapeno, spicy chili kind of peppers. And then the classical olives with peppers. So I really like olives. Then this is from another day from my roommate. It should not be there. I love these. I mean, I'm from Czech Republic and we eat this. It's in Czech, it's kvašáky. In Spanish, pepinillos agridulces. This is from Lidl. So whenever we want to buy something similar to my place, we go to Lidl because they have German food, German products. Then I like these. These are like peppers in, like spicy peppers, chili peppers. You see, sweet peppers with olive oil. Yeah. So these are really long. And then what else? I love these. I mean, this is very from Spain. They are called altramuces. In Latin America, they are called chochos. And you know, how do you eat them? It's very interesting. I show you guys how do we eat this. So just open this. They are like these guys here. You see? This is ultramousse, and you just bite like this, and it opens. Then just squeeze. You see? It goes out. It goes out, and you just pull it out. So you've got like, this is what you eat and this is what you throw. Quite tasty. Throw. Some people eat it. Not me. Not me at all. And so this is kind of what I like to eat. So yeah, I love pickles, I have to say. And yeah, so that is basically my diet. I drink coffee, I drink Aquarius a lot. This is like lemon juice. It's not a juice, it's like bionic drink for like sporty guys. We drink juices. So this is from Clementina. It's like mandarin. We drink this. You can see this. This is Czech traditional liqueur from herbs called becherovka. You see? But I don't really like it. It has cloves in it and I hate it. What I enjoy more is tequila. Yeah, tequila is my favorite. I don't drink that much, but yeah. And also what I drink is milk without lactose. So this is kind of what me and my cat drink. And then I love sauces. This is very American. So this is kind of like tartar sauce, the ketchup, and my favorite barbecue sauce. So this is what I eat right now. I know this has to be revised and, you know, reviewed or made like better diet, you know. But this is going to happen after I move out. My whole life will change after I move out. That's the idea. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. You know, you will support me this way. Thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, another video from my life. Next, maybe next... who knows? I have no schedule for videos. I just record them whenever I feel inspired. And I think Minnie wants to tell you something. Minnie. Minnie, saluda a la cámara. Say hello. Hi. This is the only girl we have. She's so cute. Minnie. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh.